This one simple tweak will help you get more opt-ins for your affiliate offers on your landing page. Simple stuff. Let's go. But first, before we get into that and I show you the secret to getting more opt-ins on your landing pages for your affiliate offers, I want you to subscribe to the channel. If it's your first time here, my name is the infamous Joel, and I show you how to make your own money online through affiliate marketing and plenty of other stuff that I show you on this channel so that you can fire your boss, you can say goodbye to all that stuff and live a life of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification button so that YouTube will let you know when I upload a new video. And please give me the like button too. Give me the thumbs up so that you can push this video out through the algorithm. Now we're here inside of System.io, and if you're not familiar with System.io, this is a free funnel building platform. I really mean it. It is completely free. There's not a lot of them out there, but this is where I build the majority of my affiliate funnels. I don't have a whole ton on here because I like to stay focused on just a few funnels at a time. Now, if you don't have a System.io account, again, it's completely free. There's a link down in the description below so you can start your, there's no trial, completely free forever System.io account so that you can have your own sales funnel for your affiliate marketing business. There's no more excuses. Oh, I don't have enough money. No, you do, because it's completely free. All right. So make sure you sign up for System.io, and I'm going to walk you through how to set up a landing page so that you can get more opt-ins to your affiliate offers. More opt-ins means more sales, means more money. So what we're going to do first and foremost is we're going to go over to this create button. You can walk through this with me so that we can build a landing page together. Okay. Now, for the purposes of this video, I do a lot of different things with my funnels, but we're just going to do build an audience. We're just going to collect email addresses and build your email list. So we'll do a simple opt-in, like a freebie giveaway kind of thing, so that you can build up your email list so that you can follow up with your potential customers and sell them affiliate products and services. All right. So we'll do the simple, easy opt-in funnel, and we're just going to call this campaign, I don't know, give it a blah blah blah. It doesn't really matter what we call it, right? Let's just call it anything, because we're just gonna run through this and we're gonna do a squeeze page, these traditional awesome squeeze page. Now, what's a squeeze page? For those of you that don't know, it's kind of like the name implies, it squeezes your leads, right? It forces them to take one action, not 2,000. This isn't Amazon.com. There's not a million options and a bunch of buttons for them to click on. There's one thing. Yes, I want to opt in. Yes, here's my email. I want the thing that you're offering. And I'm going to show you this one secret here that's going to change your entire affiliate funnel, right? A lot of other affiliates are not doing this. I started doing this like halfway through my affiliate marketing career, and it changed everything. My opt-in rates went through the roof. My sales got a lot better. Everything improved. And I'm going to show you this secret for the first time right here. So make sure you stay tuned. Now let's check this out. And as we scroll all the way up and down this page here, we see all the different templates that they have. So if you're not techie, you're not like a graphic design kind of person, trust me, I'm not either. I hate designing. I hate doing graphic stuff. I don't make anything look pretty, right? Everything that I do is extremely simple. You can click the links down below, see some of my funnels, and you'll see that it's extremely simple stuff. Now, I'm just going to pick the easiest or simplest, cleanest looking one, which it looks like this one's just white with a bunch of text on it. I'll just select that and we'll work on that. Okay, hit this little edit page button here and it'll take you over to the page. Now, for those of you that have used ClickFunnels before, a lot of this is going to look really familiar, right? You got your green section stuff, you got your blue row stuff, and then you got your orange like elements and everything. They pretty much stole what ClickFunnels layout looks like. It looks just like ClickFunnels, but in my opinion, it's 1,000 times easier and it's free, so you can't complain. Okay, now we see here so far that the opt-in for this one at least is book a call. Now, this could be anything. Maybe you're giving away an ebook. Maybe you're giving away a free training. Maybe you're just, you know, I'll send you a PDF or something. Doesn't matter what it is, okay? It doesn't matter what you're giving away on this page. Just make sure that you follow the next steps that I'm about to reveal to you. Something that a lot of affiliate marketers are not doing. And this is like next level stuff. This is stuff that I learned from some of the top marketers out there. Okay, now what am I talking about? Let's get right into it. What am I talking about here? I'm talking about your headline. Okay, now your headline, but also a few of the other subheadline, paragraph, the stuff that you're putting on your page. Too many affiliate marketers are doing boring, terrible, ugly, just crap headlines. Okay, I was about to curse there. Just crap headlines. Okay, where they're saying like, hey, do you want a free ebook? give me your email, press the button. Hey, do you want a free masterclass or a free whatever, right? They're telling you exactly what you're gonna get. A lot of you are doing affiliate marketing, so you're telling your audience exactly what they're gonna get. And it can work, of course. You're gonna get opt-ins. You're gonna get a certain percentage of people are like, yeah, I want that. That's awesome. But I'm gonna give you a strategy here that's gonna change the game. Okay, try this, brainstorm it, ponder it, sit down and think about it for a while, because it's amazing and it's gonna change the game. Okay, now what you want to do is you want to think about here what they're not gonna get. Okay, I really want you to think about this, what they're not gonna get, because there's 1,000,001 ebooks, there's a billion PDFs, there's 10,000 webinars, there's all kinds of. If you just tell people what they're gonna get, the first thing that they're going to assume is, well, I probably know what's already in it, right? I probably know exactly what it's gonna say. If I were to put right here, let's just give you an example. I'll give you an example right here, and you can see exactly kind of what I'm talking about here. So everyone's got different affiliate programs, products, digital services, everything that you're promoting. So I want you to think of your own. You got to be a little bit creative with this, but let's just go with this example. Okay, let's say that I was promoting Legendary Marketer. Okay, let's do Legendary Marketer. Okay, and if I said, find out how to quit your 9 to 5, right? That's terrible. 9 to 5 by clicking the link below. Okay, doesn't sound too bad. The average affiliate is gonna sit there and read that headline or think to themselves, well, that sounds fine, that sounds great, they're gonna give me their email address and whatever, and they probably will. You'll probably get 5-10% opt-in rates and whatnot, because people will be curious enough to say, okay, I'll check that out, right? But a lot of times they're either not going to go through your training or your book or whatever, because what this does, okay, and your opt-ins could actually be a lot higher. I'm going to tell you what this does is that it doesn't leave enough mystery. I want you to think of that. If I'm reading this, okay, and I've been looking for a solution to my problems for a while, maybe I know what affiliate marketing is, I know what drop shipping is, I know what all these different solutions are, and maybe I've been trying it for a while, maybe I've been doing a lot of different things, and you say on this page, on this headline, you say, find out how to quit your 9 to 5 by clicking the link below. My first thought is, oh my God, here we go again, right? That's my first thought as a lead, as a potential customer, is I'm thinking, I probably know what this person's gonna say. They've been through a bunch of trainings. The internet is filled with a lot of noise now, so you have got to find a way to stand out. And one of the best ways to stand out is to put some mystery in the headline of your landing page. Now let's go back to the drawing board and I'll give you an example of what would work better in this situation. What if I said instead, okay, what if I said instead, and remember in this scenario, I'm promoting Legendary Marketer, which I typically don't promote. I don't really love Legendary Marketer, but let's say I was an affiliate marketer promoting Legendary Marketer, big program, a lot of people know about it. Okay, so instead of that headline we had before, what if I had something like this? You've never heard of this secret technique for making money online without tech skills, right? Without tech skills, making content or running ads or running, that's terrible, or running ads. Let's just say, right? You can apply this to whatever it is that you're promoting, but this is just an example. So now instead I put, you've never heard of this secret technique, or maybe something like the gurus won't tell you this secret technique for making money online without tech skills, without making content, without running ads. Now, just think of that same lead I was talking about before. Let's say it's me coming to this landing page. I already assume I know what you're going to teach me. I already assume I've heard it all. I've seen it all. I've watched a million YouTube videos. I know what you're going to teach me. But if you say without tech skills, without making content, without running ads, and this secret technique, now there's mystery involved. Now there's ooh, I wonder what this thing is. I have no idea what this thing is. I have to put my email in and I have to click through and figure out what this thing is because this thing sounds awesome, right? So this is going to improve your opt-in rates 1,000 times. I've seen opt-in rates of 30-35% now ever since I started switching to this strategy where instead of doing the obvious headline, here's what you're going to get, now I put this is what you're not going to get. This is what you think it is, but actually I'm going to show you some secrets that don't involve this, don't involve this, and don't involve this. Think of 3 things that whatever it is that you're promoting doesn't involve. Maybe you're promoting some kind of diet. It doesn't involve intermittent fasting. It doesn't involve counting calories, and it doesn't, whatever you can think of that it doesn't involve, you're going to increase your opt-in rates 10,000%. I swear to God, it's amazing. So just keep that in mind. And if you need more tips and tricks on affiliate marketing, I have an entire playlist right here. Get going.